Queen Ifrika, lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Queen Ifrika, born Ventrice Morgan on March 25, 1975, in Montego Bay, Jamaica, is a renowned reggae artist, social activist, and songwriter. Daughter of reggae legend Derrick Morgan, she has carved her own path in the music industry with conscious lyrics and a unique vocal style. Queen Ifrika is celebrated for her ability to blend traditional reggae sounds with powerful messages, addressing social issues such as injustice, inequality, and women's empowerment. Music career. Queen Ifrika's musical journey began in the late 1990s when she caught the attention of Tony Rebel, a veteran reggae artist. He mentored her and helped launch her career, eventually signing her to his Flames Productions label. Her breakthrough came with hits such as Below the Waist and Daddy Don't Touch Me There, the latter addressing child abuse, earning her critical acclaim for her fearless approach to difficult topics. Throughout her career, Queen Ifrika has released several successful albums, including Montego Bay, 2009, and Acclaim, 2017. These albums reflect her commitment to uplifting messages and spiritual consciousness. She has performed on major stages worldwide, including Reggae Sumfest and Rebel Salute, solidifying her reputation as a leading voice in conscious reggae. Queen Ifrika's lifestyle reflects her commitment to positive values and cultural preservation. She is known for her natural appearance and often promotes self-love and respect for Jamaican heritage. As a Rastafarian, her beliefs influence her music and public appearances, emphasizing spirituality, health consciousness, and community service. Ifrika is also deeply involved in philanthropy and community work. She uses her platform to advocate for youth empowerment, gender equality, and social justice, participating in various outreach programs and speaking engagements aimed at inspiring positive change. As of 2024, Queen Ifrika's net worth is estimated to be around $1.5 million. Her earnings primarily come from album sales, live performances, and royalties from her impactful music. Additionally, she benefits from endorsement deals and collaborations with fellow artists, further enhancing her financial stability. Despite her success, Queen Ifrika remains grounded and focused on her mission of spreading positivity and enlightenment through her music. Her influence extends beyond Jamaica, with a growing international fanbase that appreciates her dedication to meaningful art. Legacy and influence. Queen Ifrika's impact on reggae music and social activism is profound. She has redefined the role of female artists in the genre, demonstrating that conscious music can inspire change. Her legacy includes not only her impressive discography but also her ongoing work in advocacy and mentorship. As she continues to create and perform, Queen Ifrika remains a powerful force for positive transformation, using her voice to educate, inspire, and uplift global audiences. Her contribution to reggae culture and her unwavering commitment to justice ensure her lasting influence in the music world.